In this video, you'll do an advanced beginner tap dance workout with no jumping. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure you click on the link below if you're here to get in shape, because I've got a great tap dance package for you that includes our Tap Habit program, which helps you make tap dancing a regular habit so you can stay in shape and have fun all year long. All you got to do for this workout is follow along, so let's jump in. Let's start with toes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Woo! That's it. Just getting you warmed up. All right. Heels, same pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's right. Perfect. I think you got it now. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Woo! Excellent. Now let's do some steps. Step, ball change, ball change. Step, ball change, ball change. That's it. Now step touch. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. You got it. Step and toe. Step and toe, step and toe. That's it. Step and dig. Step and dig and step and dig. Wonderful. Step and clunk. Step and clunk and step and clunk. Step heel. Step heel, step heel, step heel, skip, skip, clap. Step heel, step heel, step heel, skip, skip, clap. Oh yeah. You got this. Deep toe, deep toe, deep toe, deep toe, skip, skip, clap. Woo! Now we're gonna mix them together. Deep toe, step, heel, dig toe, skip, skip, clap. Dig toe, step, heel, dig toe, skip, skip, clap. Dig toe. That's right. Good. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp, step, step, step. Dig, dig, step, step, stamp, step, step, step. You got it. Now do your left side. Here we go, left. Dig, dig, step, step, and stamp, step, step, step. Woo! That's it. Beautiful. Shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, shuffle, stamp. That's it. And step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Woo! Now shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball change, shuffle, ball change, ball change, stamp, step, stamp, step, step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Stamp, step, stamp, oh yeah! Woo! That's it. Yes! Buffalo, same pattern. One buffalo, ball change. One buffalo, ball change. One buffalo, ball change. One buffalo, one buffalo, one buffalo. Keep going. Left side again. Woo! That side. Cramp roll, same pattern. One cramp roll, ball change. Ball change. Ball change. Right foot cramp roll. Right foot cramp roll. Right foot cramp roll. Yeah, keep going. Left side. Feeling them legs now. That's why we're here. Woo! That's it. Congratulations, you made it through the workout. That's fantastic. Again, if you had a good time and you want to keep tapping, click on that link below. We've got a great package with a ton of tap content that'll keep things fresh and interesting for months to come. And it also includes our Tap Habit program, which will help you establish tap as a regular habit so you're getting that exercise in the most fun way possible, right? Way more fun than the gym or jogging. Tap dancing is the way to go. So I hope to see you at UnitedTaps.com. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.